Today, it's gonna be all my LPS money from cats. So let's get this thing started. I can't wait to, oh my gosh, what the heck is that? I love being outside, but I don't want to be outside with that thing. Oh, it's so scary. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh no, I don't know what it's doing. This is so scary. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Why are you laying down? I'm gonna go somewhere. What the heck is that? Ah! Jeez. Oh no. Ah! Elfie, huh? What the heck was that? I don't really know. It was fuzzy. It kind of looks like me. Maybe Chance will know. He's pretty smart. Hey. You want me to go take care of the cats for you? But that's a cat. I'm a cat though. I don't look. Oh, jeez. Yeah. You want me to take care of that? Yeah, no problem. Thanks, Chance. Well. Oh no. Get out. Ah! It's going to eat me. Oh no. No! I think I'm safe. Should I go out in the wild? I'll be safe here, maybe. Uh-oh. I think one of them is coming. It's not good for me. Not good for Chance. Oh gosh. I just saw one of them coming. Oh gosh! It's coming after us! Help me. Oh, the girls need to deal with this. Hey girls, you have to deal with this cat now. What? No! You have to do it, Rachel. Yeah, I'm a dog. I can bark at a cat. Woof, 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 woof. Oh, this is so scary, guys. Ah. I'm brave. I need to think of ideas. Uh-oh. More of them are coming. No. Please. I don't need any more cats. Uh-oh. Back away, cat. Back away. Get away. Oh no. Hello. Chance! Oh jeez. Ah, come on. You can do this, Rachel. Yeah. Ha! That cat's a coward. He's scared of me. Yeah, run away. He's scared of me. That one. Oh, I gotta teach him a lesson. Oh, now is he scared? Apparently. I gotta go see what the orange kid is doing. I'm gonna get you. Oh, it's hard in front of. Am I scary? You're kidding? I'm terrified. Hard. Come on. Uh-oh. Oh no. Elfie's coming. Elfie. Rusty. Oh, they're terrified. Oh no. Guys. It's a beast! I think I'm safe here. Let's hope so. Beautiful woods. Beautiful. Let's go sneak up on the cat. Okay guys, let's go get I go get Rachel. Rachel, Dad. Wait, I'm Rachel. Shits. Good thing Moccassin's not out here. She'll eat you. Yeah. I'm gonna go sneak up on her. Kitties. Let's run. Don't drop me anyway, LPS. Okay. Where did they go? The ferocious beasts are hiding. Uh-oh. Yeah, guys. I guess I can't sneak up on them, but let's make it fun. Let's bring Moccasin out. First, let's say goodbye to Buster. What you doing? Running away. Okay. Okay, let's make some fun. I am going to get Moccasin. Moccasin likes to chew on my cats. So I don't know if they're really good like this. I have to put her in the garage because she'll probably eat my LPS. But yeah, let's get her. Okay. They're not coming. Okay. Let's get her. Sorry. Mocca! Mocca! Woofy! She's not coming. I think she's in the house with family. My hands are ice. Do you want to go see the kitties? Or should we wait for Mocca? I just saw a cat sitting on there. Okay. I don't know where Moccasin went. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful woods. Beautiful. They're beautiful. Alyssa, they're beautiful. Yes, very beautiful, Alyssa. So it's been to my house like a million times. Oh, and remember when we were on the dirt bike trails and we saw that snake? We ran so fast, but it turned out it was just a gardener snake. Yeah. We have a beautiful river. Beautiful, I say beautiful. Beautiful. I guess I'll show you. See it? Is that water down there? Okay, I gotta get Moccasin if she comes out. Yeah, my LPS I literally is shaking in my pockets. They're scared to death of cats. They have no idea what they are. And yeah, they were just gonna have a fun playtime outside. But then the cats had to ruin it. Mocca. Moccasin. Hello. She's with the family. Whatever. That's what I say. Whatever. Well, I know, Titan, you wanted Well, cat videos. So this is a cat video. I hope my dad doesn't let box it out right now. Spooky fire star. Come on, don't be scared, my little lion. Elfie star. Rusty. Rusty. Sorry, I like to talk to my cats. Hello. Oh, you ferocious babies playing tag? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, looks like Rusty's it. Rusty's gonna eat you, Elfie. It's really cold out. Do you guys not like the camera? Is it spooky? Why is she holding up that strange box? It's a phone, kitties. It's okay, it's not gonna hurt you. Whoa, Piney Nose looks so cool. Whoa. Okay. Elfie. If Rusty doesn't eat you, they will get you. Where'd you go? Oh, yeah, so I'm at Untie. Sorry if this video is literally extremely boring. Let me pet you. What the heck is that? Fire. I just want to go here. What the heck? Elfie. Okay. I want to pet you really bad. You look so fuzzy. I remember when you were just a little baby, yeah? Yeah, you remember too? It's over here. Oh, I'm not gonna take you. I just want to pet. Just over here. I want to pet you. He's really scared of the camera, I think. Yeah. Elfie, it's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. Oh, sorry guys, he's really, really playful right now. I want my dad to let Moccasin out so he can chase us. She can chase us. Goodbye, kitties. Bye, Elfie. Bye, Rusty. You didn't let me even touch you in the video. Even though you look extremely fuzzy. I might film another video on Moccasin later. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh yeah, I will be using Keen Master. Sorry. Because of my intro and I was going to take it lots of room. So yeah. Bye. Hope you had fun. Comment down below if you want to see another LPS and cat video.